2006 BMW 325i. How to replace the window rail. Okay. You're gonna need this. I'm gonna start here. Pop it. Then I'm gonna pry it right here. And we're gonna do it like this, okay? Because it has like a hook over here. I'm talking about this black thing. Alright? Now here you have a screw over here, a screw over there, a screw over there. For those screws we're gonna use T20. Alright. Okay, once we remove the screws, put it from the bottom. Okay. I'm gonna push it up here. Ooh, almost dropped the camera. Good. Here it is. Boom. I'll disconnect this one. That, like that. And this one, just gonna pry it. It's gonna be a little bit harder than that though, but still, you gotta pry it up. I put the door panel on the side. Now you see this, just gonna peel it off, just like that. All the way, okay, all the way around. Alright. Here, I'm gonna remove this connector. Gotta squeeze it. Pull it back. I'm gonna remove this motor. Screw here, screw here. And screw over here. I'm gonna remove these two screws. Remove this. It's like a sponge. This 10mm, loose them all. Now you push it back, and now you can access this bolt right here. Okay, those are gonna be T25. Here, and here. Pry it, shake it. It's gonna come out. Now let's see if this thing go up. We're gonna replace the rails. Okay. To make it easier on you, on yourself, got this. Okay. Now you can push the window up. Okay. Or enough. High enough to pop the window. Okay. You see that little hook over there through the hole? That one you gotta push it out. Okay. You're gonna grab your flat screwdriver, push it back like that. Now the window is free. Now you can push the window up. Once you pull up the window, tape it so it doesn't fall on you. while you work here. Now remove this. Just like that. What happened was that this mechanism went bad, so that's why we gotta replace the rail. Alright, so this is the new one right here. And you know, it goes back the same way you remove everything, you know, when you mount it, just go in reverse. I'm gonna adjust it here. I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna leave it there for now. I'm gonna put it in. It's supposed to go like this. Okay. If I'm not tripping. I have to remove these things. Okay, here. It's gonna go like this. This one too. Like this. There. Over here, gotta go through this hole too. Okay, there you go. One here, one here. Alright, we're Gucci. Before you put the pins in there, it would be better if you mount the motor first. Okay, so you can have a space to put the bolt there, especially here though, in this one. Okay, so yeah, put the motor first, then mount it. And this is the screws that came with the old one. You see that the mechanism is like, it's updated, you know what I'm saying? It's way different. It comes with threads and all that. The old one is just plastic, and this one's doesn't work. Don't go with it. So I'm gonna grab some bolts with the same thread. What is that? 10mm. Tied it, mount it.